The two biggest tasks in this lesson are to change from standard form to scientific form and from scientific form back to standard form. So we need to both know how to look at a number in standard notation, like 230, and change it into scientific notation. We find the real decimal to be in the back, the scientific decimal to be after the first number. We see that they're two spaces away from each other. We see that this is similar to 200. This is 2.3 times 100. But we can write that simpler as 2.3 times 10 to the second power. Simpler, especially when you get to big numbers like a billion. To go the other direction, we can take a number like 3.5 times 10 to the fifth power, and we can try to write it in scientific or standard notation. So this will be right here. This is not going to be the real decimal point. This is going to be the scientific decimal point. The real decimal point, since we're going to multiply this by 100,000, is going to be over here somewhere, because this is going to be a pretty big number, so there's going to be some zeros after it. So if we write 3, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, we notice that the real decimal point is now 5 spaces from the scientific decimal point that we started. So if we put the commas in the right place, we see that this is the number 350,000.